Hi and welcome along to our latest video repair. I'm Sadler from Dent-Remover. At the start of the video I'm going to be showing you a basic guide on how to use the Glexo glue kit. And at the end of the video I'm going to be laying out all the tools that I've used, I'm going to name them and I'm going to put links in the description of where to get them from. So with that, hope you enjoy my repair. Today's repair is a SKODA VRS tailgate. It's had a minor bump from behind, it's pushed in the tailgate over the body line. I'm going to get the Glexo glue system out first, I'm going to attach it on there, give it a quick warm, pull the majority out and then I'm going to finish the rest off with glue and bars. So enjoy! We're going to start off with getting the Glexo glue out of the wrapper and kneading it with our hands for 5 to 10 seconds. The glue will become more and more soft and sticky. Once the glue is ready, we can attach it to our adapter and place the screw end into the slide hammer and secure it. It just needs a few twists and then it's locked securely. It's recommended to have contact with the working surface for about 3 to 10 seconds. When I use it, I don't like to push too hard on the damaged area because it might damage it further. Before you start using the cold glue system, it's best to degrease the damaged area, get all the polishes and dirt off. I found the best way to attach the glue to the panel is to push slightly and give it a little wiggling motion. Pulling gently towards you with the slide hammer and then use the slide hammer action to remove the damage. Just from those couple of pulls of the Glexo, it's pulled out a lot of the damage. We've got quite a few crowns here, there and everywhere, got a few sharp little dents and a little sharp dent on the body line. If you stick the Glexo on and if you just let it come out on its own accord instead of yanking it out, you're not going to stretch anything. If you pull it out and rive it, you're more likely to stretch it and then that's it, it's game over. So I'm going to get my line board on now and I'm going to tap down a few crowns and attack these small dents. Once we've attached our line board, we can find out where all the highs are, then we can spend some time tapping them down and again bring it up to a level and then we can work from there. Okay, I've had about 10 minutes worth of tapping down all the crowns just to try and blend in the highs and the lows, and then anything else I'm going to take out with the bars. But before I get my bars out, I'm going to use the hot glue system. As you've probably realised from my previous videos, I do prefer the glue pull system to the bars. It's a lot quicker and cleaner. I'm using medium-sized tabs to lift up a few stubborn lows. Okay, so I've done quite a bit of the glue. I'm going to get on with the bars now and attack the small sharp dents first because these are the most likely ones to go wrong. So once I've done the bad damage, then I'll finish off all the ripples and then we should be pretty much on our way. This sharp dent on the body line, inside the centre of the dent, don't know if you can see it, but it's got stress cracks in the paint. So we've got to go really careful on that one because it's very likely to start cracking. And if that cracks, then it's game over. It's always best to heat up your sharp dents, and I always use a plastic tip on the end of my bar. This will minimise the cracking of the paint. You can see here the dent being slowly worked out, giving it some direct pushes and some rubbing pushes as well. On this tailgate the access was really good, but the issue that I had was there was nowhere to lever from. So using this metal bracket with cutouts, I was able to make my own leverage points anywhere on the panel. Because of the severity of the damage, lots of small adjustments with the bars and tapping areas down just to blend it all in. The majority of the damage was in a wide open area, easy to access, but some parts were very difficult to get to, so I was using a wire tool to reach the back of the dent through a little hole, as well as more glue pulling on a painted side. Okay, we're nearly done now, just some final tapping and tweaking. Okay, thank you for watching. It's all done now. It took a good few hours to get to this standard. There was a lot of ripples that I had to tap out, and also the two sharp dents, they were a bit of a pain to do, and just pick up the body line over the area. But I'm going to show you what it looks like now, and again, I'm very happy with it. If you'd like to see any more videos, why not like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But for now, thank you very much. Okay, the repair's all done now. I'm just going to show you the main tools that I used for the repair. I started off with a Glexo glue kit. This is just a test kit, there is a full kit out there to buy. I then used a range of glue tabs, crease tabs and round tabs, your glue gun and your mini lifter. Some GANGREEN crease tabs, KECO ice tab, a HAWG tab and a BLACKPLAGUE. All great tabs. Moving on to the slide hammer, this is from Bulldog, it's the best slide hammer in my opinion. Then going on to my two main tools that I always use, you've got the Ultra Dent bar, double bend screw on tip and a normal bar with a sharp end. I think I use these two bars on a daily basis. So next we'll look at the screw on tips. Got a rubber tip. I use this to start my repairs, it pushes out a lot of metal easily. Then going on to the cherry tip. More precise pushes without damaging the metal. And then we've got the plastic bullet tips, good for finishing your repair off. And then it's my favourite tip for detail work, the Edgy Gator V-tip from Edgy Tools. A great tip for fine tuning. The range of tack downs with the tips, the same applies. Moving on to the hammers, I've got blending hammer from Shane Jacks. It's a great hammer, been through a lot of that as. And my new paddle from EB Dents. One side is metal, the other side is leather. And then we've got my line board from Dent. Superb board. So we'll take a quick look at the leverage kit from Dentrix Tools. You get plenty with this kit. You can make leverage from anywhere with this. And so that's it. That's the tools that I use for this job and my main tools that I use for most jobs. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.